Hey, what's up guys? This is your friend Captain here is back with another weekly tech update. This is part or you can say episode 27 of it. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. Starting from Huawei, and Huawei kind of say they are back with another foldable smartphone, Huawei Mate X2. This smartphone looks really nice as per the foldable device. So it got a really big display and it is a 4G based smartphone. That's only drawback of the smartphone, and it got the Snapdragon 888. So it is a really good smartphone. So, on the top of it, Huawei has launched a Huawei Watch GT 3, and this watch got a really good feature such as free blood oxygen monitor and that all stuff. Watch even looks really premium in the design and that all stuff. So Asus has launched two new laptops. This is Asus ZenBook S13 OLED and Asus ZenBook 15 OLED Flip. And both the devices got the Windows 11 out of the box. Also got the Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. And all the design, it looks a lot like normal laptops. And if you want to know more about these laptops, check out the links in the iCard or you can see in the description down below. On the top of it, a budget-based lineup, Intel Celeron-based laptop from Asus BR1100, and this is a kind of say rugged-based laptop, and it got a durability and that all stuff. This is around 25,000, and it is based for a lot of hardcore work. So if you are the one who do a lot of hardcore work, not in the gaming performance, because it got the Intel Celeron processor. So you can definitely check it out. Xiaomi 12 Pro and Xiaomi Pad 5. The both devices are unveiled in India and they look both awesome. As per the design and both wise, the global version and this one looks similar. And if I do have to say so, Mi Pad 5 or you can say the Xiaomi Pad 5 got some really good OS features, but it got the Android 11 out of the box with the MIUI 13. Xiaomi is back with the TVs and they got three new TV, and these are basically the Xiaomi's Smart TV 5A series. They got the three series, three TVs in this. From 15,000 goes up to the 90,000, and even they got the OLED Vision supported TV too. So you can spice it up as per your needs. Neo 6, and this one is going to be coming really soon, and this is SE version of it. SE is going to be coming soon. Iqoo Neo 6 is already out. And if I do have to say so, there are some specifications which is expected for the smartphone. Snapdragon 870 has been expected, which is a really good processor. And even though it is also expected to having 4700 mAh lithium-polymer battery, 6.62 inches HD plus display, and this might be a IPS LCD, and or you can say AMOLED with a 90 Hz. So there are some big expectations for this one. Even I like the Iqoo Neo 6 because it got the Gen 1. Plus the OnePlus 10. This is a upcoming based smartphone, and kind of say the listing of the smartphone has been seen around. It is expected that it's gonna be having 15 megapixel camera sensor, and as per the expectation, the design or has been also leaked up, and it looks a lot similar to the 10 Pro, but the sensors I kind of say they have become bigger. And this phone gonna be a compact size based phone as per the rumors. 10R, it is official now, and kind of say it is a complete rebrand of the OnePlus Ace and launched it to India. OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite also has been launched, and the device, as I told you, it looks a lot like a Realme based device, and yeah, it looks a lot like that design. But kind of say they have done a tremendous job presenting the design and the stuff, but still the phone is okay. Yeah, Realme Narzo 50A 5G. These are expectation for the smartphone. It can't be having 5000 mAh with a polymer battery, MediaTek Dimensity based processor, and kind of say it is expected to having 700 because this phone is expected to under even 12,000, and kind of say this phone won't be having charger inside the box. GT Neo 3, and this smartphone has officially launched in India with a Dimensity 8100. It's a 5G based phone, 50 megapixel sensor, and not the each and every one is sensor 50 megapixel, but the phone got a 50 megapixel main sensor. 6.7 inch good display, and yeah, it is kind of an expensive based phone. 8100 is good processor, not the best one but good. K10, Oppo K10 5G, Oppo K10 Pro 5G, both has been launched. 120Hz refresh rate, good display, and the design. I like the K10 Pro design. It looks really nice with that black color, and the phone is also good. Yeah, Nokia has launched a lot of varieties of devices from their basis. So it's Nokia G100, Nokia Burst Pro Plus something is there, and two basic smartphones from Nokia. This is 105 and 105 Plus. These were launched on the event, and the main highlight was the C21, not the C21, G21. And this smartphone is at 13,090 Hz display has been provided, and it is a water drop notch display, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and there was also one basic smartphone C01 Plus. It was also been launched on this event. Tecno Phantom X. This smartphone was already been released in the past for different regions, but it is been rumored to arrive in India by the May. And there are some big expectations for the smartphone because Tecno has done a curved display, and it is the rumor that this smartphone gonna be a budget type of smartphone. So I'm literally a lot of excitement for this smartphone has been created. Vivo S15e. This is a complete what do you say, Z6 Pro in the shell, but this smartphone got the Exynos 1080 processor, 50 megapixel sensors, and yeah, this smartphone looks really nice. However, it got a water drop notch, or you can say the U-shaped notch. Vivo T1 Pro and the Vivo T1 44-watt 5G based smartphone is T1 Pro, not the T1 44. Well, this smartphone is expected to launch in May 4th for the India, and 44-watt, and kind of say it is expected that this is a kind of a mid-range, or you can say budget based smartphone. So a lot of excitement for this one. Vivo X80 and X80 Pro, both the devices has been launched. Dimensity 9000 is on the X80, and the 8 Gen 1 is on the X80 Pro. And these smartphones both are redesigned over the rear camera, and they are looking really nice. However, they got the waterfall type of display, and I'm not a huge fan of this afterwards, but still design looks really nice. They have launched a kind of a under 10,000 rupees budget based smartphone, and this smartphone is Smart 6, and this smartphone got a lot of going on, 5000 mAh battery, and really good. I will say different type of iOS versions have been coming, and a lot of applications are been so not working or kind of died out, and now Apple has told the developers that they are going to be removing the outdated application from their app store. COVID-19, and this thing is still going on, I kind of say. In China, supplier of the Apple, Foxconn, has kind of suspended complete factory out, and due to this COVID-19 outbreak, and kind of say it gonna be also affecting the production for the iPhone 14. There is a lot going on about the iPhone 14, by the way. iPhone 14 vendors and that stuff has been seen around. iPhone 14 Max and the iPhone 14, the both the devices which are going to be expected to budget based devices as per the Apple, the 14 lineup. This devices are actually going to be having a notch, while that both the Pro devices gonna be having a new type of design, and the all devices are expected to having a Pro Motion display which is a 120 Hz, and kind of say that afterwards a rumor that only Pro device is gonna be having. So I'm excited if they add the complete lineup for the refresh rate, and I don't care even if they add on the Pros. And if I do have to say so, the camera is gonna be bigger, and even the Pros, the iPhone 14 Pros gonna be having a smaller type of notch, and the display gonna be a bigger. So for the viewing experience gonna be much better. As you know, the Apple was going to be announcing a self-service program, and now the kit has been already released at $49. This is kind of a self-repair kit for your iPhone, and this is around 3,800 INR rupees, $49. So yeah, it is really nice thing Apple is taking part and interest into this type of thing. So watch, yeah, finally the renders and the stuff has been coming to us. And this smartphone, not the smartphone, the smartwatch has been officially trademarked, and it's gonna be having heart rate sensor at the back side, and there are some features which gonna be related to the heart rate. And at a first range, there are some rumors that it's only gonna be having heart rate and blood oxygen, but we don't know anything about that thing. Android 13 beta 1. Yeah, the testing has been completely out, and this is public beta. And for the Pixel devices, this is out. So if you are on the Pixels, then you can go and check it out, because betas you can do a lot of stuff and see how the next upgrade gonna be of the Android 13. Sony Xperia event, and this is expected on the May, and I'm too much excited for the Sony's new smartphone to debug. And there are some big vendors going on in the past, but yeah, they weren't that much close to the Sony's experience. So yeah, I'm literally excited. Sony Mark series, Xperia Mark series, and there are also some rumors for the earbuds. So yeah, I'm literally excited for this event, because a lot of products as for me. If you are looking for a gaming mouse, then Logitech has launched one. This is G Pro, and this is kind of say light digital mouse for your PC experience, or you can say some gaming experience. Then you can definitely check it out. It is launched in India. This is kind of really good. Samsung has launched a portable SSD. This is Samsung City 7 at 13,900 rupees, and I like the blue color, by the way, from the Samsung a lot. So you can carry around, and this is a kind of say portable SSD. So yeah, you can definitely check it out. Samsung Galaxy M31s users, you got the update for the Android 12 One UI 4.1 for the Russia, not for the any other countries. Yeah, the Russian versions of the Samsung Galaxy M31 is edited with the Android 12 update One UI 4.1, and this gonna be kind of say a last update for the M31s. Edge 30. This one is finally unveiled. The same design has been, and it got a Snapdragon 778 5G processor, 778 plus 5G, and this phone got the same camera setup as the Pro was having 50 plus 2 megapixel sensor. So there isn't a quite change as per the processor. Motorola G100 users, you also got the Android 12 update starting from the Brazil, rolling out to the global versions really soon. And yeah, Android 12 complete, no bloaters on the top. So that's it for today. We got some big news from a lot of companies, and kind of the chip shortage will also be seen by 2023. Because due to COVID outbreak in China, and China provides a lot of chipset to other countries, other companies for their phones. So yeah, what are your thoughts on each and every news? Let me know in the comment section down below. By the way, you are watching Andriod, and press the bell icon so you won't miss any type of test updates or any type of videos. By the way, this was Captain Diaz. If you end up liking this video, share among your friends and let them know, and press the bell icon so you won't be missing any another update. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.